In this video, I'm going to show you how to create labels and callouts in Groundhog as part of an annotation layer. I'm going to show you this using a map window, but all the same functionality is available using the section window. So we need to start by creating an annotation layer. To do this, we right-click in the white area of the layer control panel here and select New Annotation Layer. Give the layer a name, click OK. We now need to activate this layer by clicking on it. This will turn it yellow and will show us that it is active. When we activate the layer, the tool palette appears and we can choose the tool that we want to use. We're only concerned today with the labels and the callouts. So if to start with we select labels, that will turn the icon yellow and we can then place labels where we wish to on the map. So I am going to click here and here to place my labels. I need to turn the label tool off in order to edit the labels. So at the moment the labels have a rather washed out appearance. This is because the layer is active and so it has coloured them yellow. If we turn the layer off so that it is no longer active, we can see that they are easier to look at. But we need it to be active for now because we're going to edit these labels. We can drag the labels around by click and hold on the drag label and move around like this. We can also edit the label by right-clicking on this node and selecting Edit Text. And click Apply. If we want a label to be in a fixed position, say we want to put it up here, again we can right-click on the drag node, Edit Text, and we can select Fixed Position. You will now see that if I move the window around, the label stays in the same place. We'll now look at callouts, and these are very similar to labels. So I'm going to highlight the tool that I need to use, and you'll see that it's turned yellow. So we now click where we want to place the callouts. I'm going to place it here. I'm going to turn it off again so that I can edit the callout. The callout has two nodes. The first node here repositions the label. The other node, which is the pointer node, repositions the whole callout. If we want to edit the text in the callout, we have to right-click in the drag node for the pointer and edit text. I'm going to deactivate this so you can see the text a little bit better. Now we have various options in the settings dialog which we need to click this button here to gain access to. Now changing the label settings here will change the settings for all the labels. So I'm going to change the colour of the labels to purple, and I'm going to change the text colour to black and the font to Arial bold 12 and click Apply. We can also change the transparency of the labels by using this tool here, by moving it that way to make it more transparent or moving it that way to make it less transparent. That's all I'm going to say about labels and callouts on this video. There are further videos about the other tools that I haven't mentioned in this video, which are the arrows and the graphics.